Oh, wow. That's some really good coffee. That's some really good MAKADE-MASHKIKIWAABOO coffee. And that's not really our Ojibwe word of the day because, I say that all the time. MAKADE-MASHKIKIWAABOO. Have a cup of coffee. Um, let's see. How do you want to do this? It's gonna be I already sang that. You want to do a song today? Oh, yeah, sure. What song should we do? I don't know. You know what my favorite one is? What's that? Nana Boozhoo loves Natasha? Yeah. All right, we can do that. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. Now you're my one, and you're my only regret. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. I used to sit up at night just so I could watch ya. I wrote on my bedroom wall, Nana Boozhoo loves Natasha. And good morning. MINO GIGAZHEB. Good morning. You are watching BOOZHOO Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana Boozhoo, and this is Natasha. And today, I thought a good Ojibwe word of the day would be. What's that, sweetie? All right. I was just hoping I would think of something as I did that whole lead up. Our Ojibwe word, okay, let's just call it coffee. MAKADE-MASHKIKIWAABOO. Coffee. Which actually means black medicine water. Huh. Oh, yeah, that's right. Makade, black. Mashkiki, medicine. Waboo, water. And this has been your Ojibwe word of the day. I don't know. I'm just kind of phoning it in. Maybe I'm not really feeling it much today. Oh, really? Yeah. You got anything you want to add to this? Yeah, I guess. So just want to remind everyone, if you want to support this show financially, you can send us a PayPal, buy us a cup of MAKADE-MASHKIKIWAABOO, buy us a cup of coffee. Or we have a Patreon page where people sign up monthly. And if you sign up on Patreon, we'll send you a book like Snow on Skin. Or just come over to YouTube and subscribe. We got a lot of fun stuff over there too. All right. I don't know. I guess that's all I had to say. All right. Well, let's get out of here. We're going to do something else. All right. Hey, thank you for watching BOOZHOO Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this is Nana Boozhoo. And I will see you again. GIGAZHEB, Minowa. Hawa!
All right, that was just terrible. You want to slip out, go downtown, go get a drink?
A drink? We don't drink.
No, like coffee.
Oh yeah, let's go get some coffee.
All right. Yeah, I'll see you later. That was weird.
We slip out right now, go downtown and get ourselves a drink. We slip out right now, go downtown, get ourselves a drink. Yeah, we slip out right now, go downtown, get ourselves a drink. Yeah, we slip out right now, go downtown. What would they think? Hey, hey, what do you say? Oh, we slip out right now and run, run, run away. I know it's no federal crime, but you let me down, way down this time, and I know it never once crossed your mind, but you let me down, way down this time. Hey, hey, what do you say? Oh, we slip out right now and run, run, run away. Hey, hey, what do you think? We slip out right now, go downtown and get ourselves a drink. Yeah, we slip out right now, go downtown and get ourselves a drink. Yeah, we slip out right now, go downtown, get ourselves a drink. Yeah, we slip out right now, go downtown. What would they think? What should they think? We could get ourselves and forget ourselves. We could get ourselves